Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on our channel. This video is about the best travel affiliate programs for beginners. In this video, we're going to reveal to you the best 5 platforms where you can earn commissions as a travel agent or any service provider of travel products. The first one is this platform, which is Plum Guide, and Plum Guide helps you or guides you with any kind of accommodations throughout the world. Now, if you want to earn through Plum Guide, then you can join their affiliate program. And this is the page for the affiliate program for Plum Guide. You can become a Plum Guide affiliate and earn revenues by referring bookings to Plum Guide, as mentioned over here. So why would you like to join Plum Guide as an affiliate? Well, you've got the competitive commission over here. You can see that there is a 7% commission on every sale that is made through your source. So if you are driving traffic through your whatever website to Plum Guide and you are creating sales through your website on Plum Guide, then you're going to get a 7% commission. This is a partnerized platform, so you can access real-time and detailed reporting of your revenue. Then there is a dedicated support team as well in case you need some help. Further down, if you scroll, you can see who can join, how do you join, etc. And to join, you simply need to click on this button that says apply now. So basically, you're going to apply for becoming a Plum Guide affiliate. And to do that, you need to complete this process, which is a 3-step process. So first of all, you need to give in your contact details. And for that, you need your email address, your username, password, etc. Then your address needs to be confirmed, and then there are some extras as well. So that is it about Plum Guide and how you can become a Plum Guide affiliate. The next platform we have to recommend for you is none other than Expedia, which is a world famous and globally acclaimed platform for all your travel needs. And this platform is good for anything and everything that is related to traveling. So this platform as well has their own program for becoming an affiliate. And this is the page for becoming an affiliate with the Expedia group. Now you can see that if you join the Expedia Group's affiliate program, these are all the advantages. So you have the broadest range of offerings in the industry, over 3 million properties and unique activities, airlines, car rentals, cruise lines. You can monetize your traffic with the most trusted travel brands. And this is the good thing over here. You can earn a 6% commission for every qualifying booking that is made through your site, link, or widget. So those are the options of creating revenue by joining the affiliate program on the Expedia group. That is through your website, you can create traffic or bookings, or through a specific link or even a widget. And how the program works is also mentioned over here. It's basically just 3 steps. First of all, you join. So you apply to join the program and you get instant access to the tools, which are trackable links, widgets, side banners, etc. And then share, use your affiliate tools to drive traffic to Expedia Group from whatever you are using, whether it's your website or even your social platforms. And lastly, earning. So you can earn with every qualifying booking that is made through your site, link, or widgets. And you can track your performance as well, like how much earnings have you done in how much time. And this is kind of a screenshot of the link. So you can create an affiliate link, and this is the link URL that will be given to you, etc. And that's how it's working on Expedia Group. All you need to do is click on this Join Now button to become an affiliate with Expedia Group. So that was the second travel platform in which you can join as an affiliate. Now the third platform is Travel Payouts, where you can monetize your travel content. Travel Payouts it's like everything under one roof. So they've got these many partners, these many trusted travel brands. This much has been paid out to partners and travel bloggers. These many are there on this platform. So getting started is very easy. You sign up with the brands that you love, and then you enhance your content with affiliate tools and analyze your profit. These are all the platforms that are associated with Travel Payouts. So if you want to know how the partner program works, you need to click on partner programs over here. and this will open up in a different page. So you've got all these categories over here, like tours and activities, flights, hotel and accommodations, package tours, insurance, etc., etc. A lot of categories on this side: trains, buses, cruises, etc. These many platforms, be it booking.com, Viator, Get Your Guide, and so many others. So you'll need to join those platforms, and then through the Travel Payouts affiliate program, you can earn from these multiple platforms all underneath one roof. So it's one platform, but it's associated with so many other travel platforms, and you can earn through everything just underneath one roof, which is Travel Payouts. And as I said, there are different platforms, and each platform has its own reward rate. Like you can see for booking.com, it's 4% reward rate, and for Get Your Guide, it's 8%. It varies according to the platform. For Trivago, it's 40%. So if you join that platform and then you want to earn through their affiliate program, then that's how much you're going to earn. That's it about Travel Payouts. The next platform that we have to recommend to you is none other than TripAdvisor, which is another globally famous travel platform where you can book hotels, you can see things to do in different destinations, you can book holiday homes or search for restaurants, ratings, reviews, and see people's travel stories as well. On this platform as well, you can join as an affiliate. And this is the TripAdvisor affiliate program page. So by joining the affiliate programs, you're helping your users discover great ideas for their trips. The affiliate program allows you to leverage the TripAdvisor brand to enhance your content and earn a steady revenue as well. So let's see why you need to join. You can earn a minimum of 50% commission, like earn at least 50% of the commission that TripAdvisor will receive from the hotel booking partners when the users come to TripAdvisor. There is no need for an actual booking to take place. If you just drive traffic to the platform, that itself is going to earn you some revenue. And it has the multi-touch attribution model. So they're offering a 14-day referral window. And if users return to TripAdvisor within that period of time and click on any of the partners, then you're going to get the credit and you're going to earn the commission. So just that click is going to earn you some commission. So that's basically how you can earn your website, TripAdvisor ClickOut, and hotel booking partner. So if you're able to send around 170 clicks to TripAdvisor from whatever platform you are on, you will get around $60 per month, and so on and so forth. It's very easy to get started. You just need to sign up, choose a network partner, first of all, and then search for TripAdvisor and create your links. Everything happens through the links that you get through this process. The last travel platform where you can join as an affiliate and earn some revenue is iVisa. Now, this platform, which is basically to check for visas and find out about visa information from different countries. Now, on this platform, if you want to become an affiliate, then you will need to check out this page, which is going to explain to you the affiliate program. You can join by simply filling out the information on the right side over here. By joining the affiliate program on iVisa, you can enjoy a 20 to 35% commission on travel documents and passport photos while providing valuable content to your users. So if you scroll down, you can see these are the steps of how it works on this affiliate program. There is a simple sign-up process, as you can see on the right side that I showed you. Then you select an asset for your website, blog, or other social media, and you start earning commissions. Pretty easy, it sounds like, but first you'll need to sign up, which is done by filling out this form that is on the right side. And you can earn a decent revenue by joining this affiliate program on iVisa. So with this, we have come to an end about the top travel affiliate programs for beginners. We truly hope this video was informative enough for you to start your travel affiliate journey. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any video recommendations, topic recommendations, do let us know that as well. We'll catch you soon in our next one. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.